Hey girl, what's up? Welcome back to the Mom Company where we discuss everything mom likes. I'm Danielle and today we will be doing makeup because I have somewhere to be. I have to go to Target to pull up in the drive up so they can bring my order out to me. So I took this as an opportunity to get dressed, get cute, and I figured I would record it for you. It's really simple. It's not too much. Well, I think it's really simple. It looks similar to what this is that I have on, minus the lashes and minus, I think I have some brown liner on today. I'm not wearing that in the video. See, what happened was I forgot to record an intro to this video. So this is like 2 days after, and I have to shoot some content today and I had to do my makeup, so I just tried to do it similar to what I did the other day and I recorded it for you guys. So that is all. Before we get into the real business, let's handle this business. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below so that you never miss when I upload a video, and you can hang out with me all the time. You can also follow me on my other socials _ the Mom Company on Instagram and Facebook. On Instagram, I upload a lot of fun content daily. I really appreciate you guys watching today. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this content. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, let's get right into it. I'm using the foundation I use all the time, which is MAC's Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. It's a prolonged wear, so it lasts long. I just put it around my mouth where I have a little bit of darkness, and then I'm also going in under my eyes with a color corrector in Peach Luster. This is also by MAC. This is just so I don't have to use so much concealer. And I'm blending it out with a wet beauty sponge. So I wanted a little bit more coverage, so I added just a tad bit more foundation, and I'll blend it out the same way with my beauty sponge. Using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel, I'm just going to highlight a little bit underneath my eyes. Because that concealer is a little bit too light for my liking, I will add the foundation to it and it'll darken the concealer just a little bit. I'll be using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I got the darkest color, and I'm just going to use it to set my under eye so that I don't have any creasing. It is pretty warm outside today, so it's just a little precaution that I like to take. I'm also going to use my mineralized skin finish by MAC on the places where I don't use Laura Mercier. This just helps set everything in place. Listen, if you're a brown girl and you don't have this in your makeup collection or makeup bag, you need to get it. It is the Black Radiance contour palette. It's the powder contour. It comes with 3 shades, and this contour, the darkest shade, is bomb. I love it. My friend Brittany put me on, thanks Dust, and I just use this I use it as bronzer, not so much contour, because I just want something natural. Fun fact, guys, I used to spend forever on my eye makeup because it used to be my favorite part of makeup, my makeup routine. But right now I am using one color. It is the middle color from this Black Radiance contour palette. It's like a medium brown, and I'm just blending that all over my eyelid up into my crease. Literally the easiest makeup you could ever do. Let's work on these brows. So I'm just going to brush my brows up, just kind of like brush through them, get the curls out. Then Then I'm going to fill them in nicely and lightly with MAC's Spiked Brow Pencil. So I'm not really into blush like that, but this is like a 2-for-1 product where I can get a nice bronze glow and a nice pop of color on my cheeks. It's by MAC and it's called Telling Glow. I do not know if they still sell it, but if they do, I will link it down below. Now we're also going to put on a little bit of mascara so those lashes pop, and then we're going to get into lips. I'm using Soar Lip Pencil by MAC, and I'm just going to fill in my lips. And then I'm going to put clear gloss on top. I just want something, you know, light, cute, and airy. And of course, I'm going to finish everything with some Fix Plus. Girl, don't mind me. I'm just being really extra because I'm excited to get out of the house. Okay, just excited to go drive up to Target. So I got this graphic tee from TJ Maxx. These biker shorts are from Pretty Little Thing. They were really affordable. And then I switched out the purse. That is a purse from Zara. And these shoes, of course, you've been seeing them all over my Instagram. They are from City Trends. I will be sure to have everything that you see in this video that I can linked in the description box. See you guys later.